Alright guys, so we're making macaroni salad. So I'm going to start off with a cup of mayonnaise. Then we have a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Just pour that in. And then we have a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Let's mix that up a little bit. We're going to put the celery, so that's a 1/4 cup of celery right in there. We're going to put 1/3 cup of onion. We're going to put 1/2 cup of carrot. Now for the bell peppers, I used orange, red, and yellow. So it's about 1/2 cup altogether. And we're going to have 2 eggs, hard-boiled eggs, and about a 1/4 cup of sweet pickles. Alright, so we'll mix that up now. So that is the dressing and all of your ingredients other than the noodles. So what you could do is you could leave this sit overnight or for a few hours, let it all, basically it'll pickle the vegetables and they won't be as strong. So that's what we're going to do. Alright guys, so we're back. We got the noodles all cooked and we have this has been sitting for a couple hours now. So we're going to add the noodles. I don't think we're going to use all these noodles. We'll mix it in. Alright, so in addition to the first part of the sauce and the pickling, we're going to add the same basically to make more sauce to cover everything. It's 1 cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now, the salad will soak in a lot of the mayo, so you might even have to add more to this tomorrow, or you'll have a really dry salad. This looks good for today. Now these noodles are cold, or at room temperature I would say. So we're going to transfer it into a bowl to put in the fridge and eat it later today.